Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best bottle jacks you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best bottle jacks in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Big Red Torin Pneumatic Air Bottle Jack. This pneumatic air jack, like the other Big Red bottle jack, is built to last. For a faster lift, use the pneumatic pump feature to connect the jack to an air compressor. This versatile jack can also be used for regular pumping. The Big Red Torin Pneumatic Air Bottle Jack is significantly larger than the other jacks we evaluated. A 20.0-ton bottle jack is larger than most users will require to lift a car, but it is required for lifting heavy machinery and equipment. Nonetheless, the extra stability provided by the wide base is useful in any situation. The disadvantage is that this jack is much heavier and less portable than other bottle jacks. This jack has the highest clearance of any we tested, making it a good option for those who have lifted their vehicles. It fit beneath our test SUV but would not fit beneath a sedan. While not easy to position, this jack can be raised manually or with an air pump. For details, let's watch more. Our second best bottle jacks is Torin Big Red Hydraulic Bottle Jack. The Torin Big Red Hydraulic Bottle Jack is designed for residential and commercial use and has a wide, rugged base which enhances stability and strength. It's engineered using a drop-forged alloyed steel construction with reinforced stress points for added durability. The inner-outer welded structure and steel construction will keep your bottle jack leak-free and gives it an overall stronger build. The fully welded structure is designed for hard-hitting commercial use, making large loads easy to lift. A serrated, heat-treated saddle provides a generous lifting area and a secure grip. The lifting range is 7.48 inch to 14.49 inch with a 4-ton capacity. It features a smooth, glide-action pressure pump designed to lift with minimal muscle and effort and has an integrated built-in oil bypass and overload valve that protects the hydraulic system from extending beyond its travel limits. Hydraulics are powered with a high-quality oil, which offers better corrosion resistance and high load temperature flexibility, allowing the unit to operate at temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Piston ram utilizes a Y-style polyurethane sealing ring with backup ring, preventing the load from falling slowly. This lightweight and powerful bottle jack is ideal for lifting farm vehicles, heavy-duty machinery, industrial equipment, military applications, and environments where the equipment receives heavier abuse. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Big Red Torin 10-ton bottle jack. The Big Red is a well-known jack manufacturer and also known for producing high-quality products. It provides bottle jacks in a variety of weight capacities. A 10-ton jack should suffice for most automotive needs, especially if you need to hoist the side of your vehicle for a tire change. The Big Red Torin 10-ton bottle jack is a fairly typical bottle jack. It does not have any distinguishing features, but it is dependable and has high quality welding. It easily raised and lowered our test SUV. The Touran's flaws are shared by the majority of bottle jacks. For one thing, it has a high clearance and thus would not be appropriate for a low-profile vehicle. Because there is no mechanism that clicks the two parts firmly into place, the pump handle is wobbly when assembled. Hydraulic bottle jack designed for residential and commercial use, serrated, heat-treated saddle provides generous lifting area and secure grip. Glide action pressure pump is designed to lift with minimal effort, integrated built-in oil bypass and overload valve that protects the hydraulic system from extending beyond limits. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Pro Lift Hydraulic Bottle Jack. The Pro Lift Hydraulic Bottle Jack is portable and lightweight, with a lifting capacity of up to 4.0 tons. It does not have the same lift capacity as the other jacks on this list, but it is powerful enough to change a tire. It's also cheaper than our other top picks. The slim design provides a reasonable lift height, but it also makes this jack less stable due to the smaller lifting saddle. This Pro Lift bottle jack on particularly heavy vehicles or in situations where you need to keep something elevated for an extended period of time. Pro Lift B004D Gray Hydraulic Bottle Jack is a 4-ton bottle jack that is ideal for auto, truck service, farm and shop use. With the heat-treated critical stress areas, it ensures long life performance. In addition, the carrying handle makes it so easy to carry around wherever needed. It features the steel lifting saddle that is engineered to hold load securely. With the extension screw, it allows Pro Lift B004D bottle jack to be adjusted to accommodate desired work height. Last in our best bottle jacks list is Performance Tool W1643 Heavy Duty Bottle Jack. The Performance Tool W1643 12-ton shorty bottle jack is perfect for home, auto, truck, and farm use. With a heavy-duty base and a lifting range of 6 to 11 by 16 to 13 inches, this convenient jack will let anyone perform needed maintenance on their vehicle engines or other systems. The sleek and low-profile design allow it to fit easily in any garage or maintenance bay, and the durable constructions can withstand even the toughest environment and machinery. This short jack is available in a variety of sizes, allowing you to purchase the lifting capacity required for your vehicle. It has a grooved saddle for added traction. A folding handle is included for portability. For strength and durability, the critical stress points are heat-treated. This jack is great for cars, trucks, farms, and shops. For details, let's watch more.